Let's go. We got a video. This video is about WingtraRay by Wingtra. We're going to check out this drone, see how advanced it is. They're making a lot of drones really advanced. We're going to check it out. Let's lock in.
To stay competitive as a surveyor, you need a reliable tool that's easy to use, safe, and gets you high accuracy every time. Meet WingtraRay, the drone made for surveyors, for faster results and total confidence in the field. From large area mapping projects to quick site jobs, this drone is the most cost-effective surveying tool. It empowers you to survey over 1,300 acres in a single 1-hour flight.
Yeah, if you're a surveyor, you can make a lot of money because this drone is pretty cool. It has multi-spectral systems all in it. Like they said, 1,300 acres is a lot. This drone can go for 59 minutes, which is crazy. A lot of drones drop out 20, 30, 40 minutes. It's starting to increase. The technology is there. It's starting to increase.
So you can complete projects up to 10 times faster than multicopters and 30 times faster than terrestrial methods. And thanks to vertical takeoff and landing, you only need a small space to launch, even near trees or structures. Safety features like backup battery power, dual telemetry, and obstacle avoidance are built in to give you total peace of mind. You'll know where your drone is and that it will return home safely. And if you're struggling with permissions and compliance, we got you. WingtraRay features a parachute add-on for operations over people and moving vehicles. This unlocks 2 to 3 times more jobs for you in urban areas. So for 98% of the US territory, WingtraRay doesn't need any waivers to fly over populated areas. And around the world, our certifications and safety features fast-track your permission.
Yeah, if you're thinking about being a surveyor, you can make some money. You can make a lot of money being a surveyor. And then getting tools like this. Yo. Because a lot of the large companies, when they purchase land and stuff, they need to figure out what they're going to do. You know what I mean? They no longer sending somebody by foot or you're trying to do it a different way. You're hiring someone that has a drone, a professional surveyor.
Plus, having certifications for AUVSI's green and DIU's blue cleared lists means you're pre-approved even for sensitive projects. WingtraRay also works.
They mean the government. You can get a lot of jobs with the government. So, they mean the government.
With powerful sensors covering everything from LiDAR to multispectral to photogrammetry, so you can rely on one tool for all your jobs. So when you need high accuracy at scale to map urban areas for a cadastre, detect airfield cracks with millimeter-level resolution, deliver a DTM model of a vegetated area with LiDAR, or run frequent cut and fill analysis, you can do it all within one end-to-end drone surveying platform.
And it's not hard to get that training to be a surveyor. It's not that hard, honestly. During COVID, I was able to grab up my drone pilot license. I mean, obviously everybody was bored during that time, a lot of times. But I was able to grab that up. But, I mean, it's not hard. You just got to learn the systems and stuff like that. And you can make some killer amount of money. You can make a lot of money.
What does that mean? You save time and costs at each step of your survey. Plan your flight with WingtraCloud and share it across teams. Follow the steps to easily set up your ground control on-site with WingtraGround. Then capture the data with WingtraRay. WingtraCloud will process the data for you and make it available to share with your team or customers. It's really that easy. Speed up large projects and deliver critical data on the same day. WingtraRay, the drone made for surveyors.
They ain't gonna let y'all know the price. They're not gonna let y'all know the price. That price, all right. So when I did my research, I seen it, I think as low as 10,000, and as far up as close to 50,000. That's crazy. I mean, I tried to check it out, check different websites out to see what is the most accurate price, and it just went by range. Honestly, there's other companies selling it too, but I mean, if you're trying to get into surveying, some of these drones is beneficial to help your job be super easy, so you can send that drone up, get it back, do all your all the technical stuff that you got to do from your laptop, send it to the company so they can properly build or do whatever they want to do. But I mean, it's good. Drones are coming out, they're getting better. It's going to be useful soon, when it comes down to delivery services, surveillance, photography. It's definitely going to be useful. So if you're trying to get into some of these things, study for your drone license, drone pilot license, so you can grab it up, because eventually it's going to be useful. Eventually they're going to be going by and using drones. My only thing is I was a little nervous though, because I was thinking, I'm like, yo, what if war come and they see that I'm a drone pilot license? I have my drone pilot license, and they like, hey, you could be a drone pilot in the military. You don't have to sit nowhere. I'm like, no, I'm not trying to get recruited. I'm not trying to get recruited. Like, I got a lot of stuff here to do, so let's just not start a war. But other than that, I mean, surveyors do make a lot of money if you like contracted with, the government, or if you contracted with a large company. So check it out. I mean, it might be useful. I like to, bring on stuff that's also useful. I like to do other robotic stuff and technology that's coming out that you may not be able to use because, big organizations using it, the government is using it. But I also like to bring out some things that's useful, that if you're trying to change up your, career, this might work for you. All right. Until next time.